C115TWS model. See, in the pairing it is showing two names. Internally it was not paired, so both devices are in different pairing. It is showing two names in the mobile also. You can't pair at a time both earpods. On that time you have to make the internal pairing. Internal pair procedure is 3 times tap and leave it, automatically it will pair. See, now it was internally paired. So now we can search in the mobile. See, only one name is detecting here.
Only master.
See, it is connected. This is the procedure of internal pairing of C115.